Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to log out of Discord using your Android device. Whether you're switching accounts, taking a break, or just need to log out for any reason, the process is simple and quick. Let's dive into the steps. First, launch the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account settings. Next, you'll see a gear icon at the top right corner. Tapping this icon will take you to the settings menu, where you can manage your account and customize your experience on Discord. Now, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the option labeled Log Out. This is typically located at the bottom of the list, making it easy to find. Once you tap Log Out, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Make sure you really want to log out, as this will disconnect you from your account. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Discord. If you ever need to log back in, just launch the app and enter your credentials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.